you ever want to taste Amish food? Well, instead of going to Pennsylvania, and if you live in Florida, just south of Tampa, there's a city called Sarasota. And in Sarasota, they have a restaurant that's called Yoders. I tell you, we're gonna check this place out. We've been here before. The food is phenomenal. So, but I'm gonna show you around so you guys can see what else they have. They have a marketplace, they have a gift shop, and some cute things around. So, stay tuned. We're gonna check out the gift shop first.
They have a lot of like home remedies from natural things.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, so it's kind of nice to kind of...
Guys, yep, this here.
You have that at home and you love it.
Yes, if you guys have any ailment, aches and pains, you need to try this stuff here. They have this one, and they have this one here too. If you want a good ointment, go ahead and check this place out. It's a quick pain relief, and you'll love it. You guys will like this shop, so come on down. We have several 360 virtual tour links in the description below that will take you on Google Maps right to this location. They also have some fantastic natural soaps. They smell great. Now we're going to go inside the restaurant to check their food. Oh, and don't forget, they are closed on Sundays. We did another 360 virtual tour in this location. And don't forget, on your way out, take something home. And the desserts, oh my goodness.
But I ordered Yoder's famous fried chicken because they take the chicken, they hand bread it, and then deep pressure fry it to seal in the juices so it comes out crispy, but it's always really juicy in the inside. And I'm one that likes white meat as opposed to dark meat, so sometimes that tends to be dry when it's fried, but I have never ever eaten it here at Yoder's and it not be nice and moist. So I got that. I got their homemade macaroni and cheese. And what else did I get? Oh, buttered corn.
And what did I order?
You ordered the garlic chicken breast, which is marinated in their special garlic sauce, and then it's sauteed. And what they mean by that is that it's put right on the grill. Of course, I looked at the desserts first. So I asked them, the two that popped out at me, I love, love, love their banana cream pie here, which they have. And they also have the black raspberry pie. My grandma used to make black raspberry pie.
So here's her food.
Yay.
It's a big chunk of fried chicken, that is.
Yes.
So are you gonna share?
Yes, I'll share.
All right. There's the wing.
And look at this nice crispy little piece of wonderfulness right there. I'll get it to you. Be patient. Okay, now you can have it.
Yeah. So
I'm going to show you before I take a bite.
look at the juice. Look at those juices. How juicy that looks.
Not dry whatsoever.
Yep.
So
So
looking good.
this time I went ahead and didn't go for the fried chicken, which I've been salivating for, but at least I got the wing. But because of the garlic, I decided to go with the garlic chicken just to give it a try. Never had it before. So let's see.
I love their banana cream pie here. They have really good cream pies. So, as you can see, right? It looks yummy-licious. Okay, so here we go.
It has always been run by one family. It's just passed down through the generations. So the ones that are owning it now would be the originals. The restaurant, we have the market, we have the produce, we have the gift shop, all really cool stuff.
So now we're gonna go ahead and check out. They have outside for kids. Just over there is the marketplace. Oh, so see what it is. They have a sitting area out here. And there's your Amish buggy. Pretty cool. Let's check out the marketplace. Look at those tomatoes. See, this is where all they keep all the cool stuff. Literally. Wow, look at those peppers.
Okay, come on over here. We're gonna check out the meat. This is where they have some homemade things like soups and meats that they put together. Let's check it out.
This place had some great sandwiches already made. They have plenty of bread, pies, desserts. Did I say desserts? Yeah, desserts. Look at that. Desserts.
If you notice when you get down there, over here they have their homemade soups and their chicken pot pie and blood. The chicken pot pies are down here. They have chicken noodle soup, a vegetable minestrone, Italian wedding, Mexican fiesta, cheeseburger, split pea, and cabbage and kielbasa. And they have whoopie pies. I don't know if anybody remembers those, but they have the cream filling in the middle. Yeah. They have carrot cake, oatmeal cake. Overall, I think it's really worth coming because it's so easy to spend half of a day here. There's a lot of little things to look at. There's a couple of little shops along the same street that you can check out some of the things that the Amish actually make and sell. But in the last place we just went into, different sandwiches and stuff, you can actually take them, and on the other side of the produce area, they have picnic tables. So you can actually go and sit outside at the picnic table and enjoy whatever it is that you've purchased inside. But you won't be disappointed, it's really nice. So if you like this video, make sure you check out the next one.